Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the touch sampling rate comparison test between the Realme GT Master Edition versus the iQOO Z5 device. So this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to compare both phones side by side regarding the touch sampling rate. So according to the specification in the Flipkart and the Realme as well, the phone Realme GT has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. As you can clearly see in the specifications, which says 360 Hz, and the iQOO Z5 has got the 240 Hz touch sampling rate in this device. But let's see actually what we are getting in the default. That's what is really important, because some phones, they do claim they are having a higher touch sampling rate, but UI will be limiting the touch sampling rate. Sometimes it does happen. So same thing happens to the Realme phones and OnePlus phones. OnePlus means OnePlus Nord 2 basically, not other phones. So this is the thing which is going on with the OnePlus Nord 2, which the touch sampling rate has been default set to 120 Hz in this phone. That's another thing. But let's see what is the default touch sampling rate in this both phones side by side. So to test this touch sampling rate, we do have the application installed in this device, which is a touch multi-test. And during this process, we need to use the higher refresh rate. So which I can definitely show you in the settings first, because that's also another main point. So whenever you're trying to do this kind of touch sampling rate test, you should know what kind of refresh rate I'm trying to select, which is high. It's not in auto mode. Let's go to the display of this iQOO Z5. As you can see, 120 Hz, which is perfectly done. So now let's try to open the application which I'm going to test right now. So in this application, we can actually see in the iQOO Z3 is showing about 360, the number. As you can see, from 350 and 360 we are getting. So what are the number you're getting? So you need to do the minus with the refresh rate what we used. So 360 minus 120, so it's kind of 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So it's exactly whatever the company is claiming, we are getting exactly the same kind of touch sampling rate in the iQOO Z3. But you will get this kind of higher touch sampling rate if you add this application into the ultra game mode only. So that's only possible. Otherwise, you cannot get that kind of higher touch sampling rate. For example, I need to add this application into this ultra game mode. Only then I was able to get that kind of higher touch sampling rate. For example, let me try to disable this application from the ultra game mode. Now look at the score. What happens? It's kind of 240 we are getting. So 240 minus 120 refresh rate, 120 Hz touch sampling rate. By default, it will be there. But if you add these applications in the ultra game mode, definitely you can actually enjoy the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So basically, while gaming, you won't have any issues. 240 Hz touch sampling rate will be enabled in this device, iQOO Z5. That's another point which I thought of just mentioning. And in the Realme GT, what happens here? Let's see. In the same application, I'm trying to show you the number we are getting about 360. As you can see, friends, 360. So 360 minus 120 Hz refresh rate. So this phone, Realme GT Master Edition, by default, we got about 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So here it's kind of really confusing. I'm not sure why, but if you believe that we should not do minus thing, then the iQOO Z5 also have got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. That's not possible because the phone has got 240 Hz. So definitely we need to do the minus of the number what we get with the refresh rate what the phone we did use. So this is another touch sampling rate application which I'm going to show you, which looks really smooth, as you can see. But sometimes this application is not that compatible with a few Realme phones. I'm not sure why. With the Realme GT also same problem. With Realme GT Master Edition also same problem. There's some kind of app compatibility issue. That's the reason I was unable to show you the touch sampling rate. But touch inputs are really good in this device. So iQOO Z5 no issues at all in another touch input. So overall, the both phones by default they do have the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. That's what the final conclusion which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video unless for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.